Grabe ka naman. Ito yung pinapakain ko yung itlog everyday.
Ay, libo na sila, no? Lagi ka lighter mo, ha?
Oo.
Meron pa natin dyan, dahil tao.
Okay, something. Mama, isda yung malita.
Ayan, look, the fish.
Oh, dali. Langoy, 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 langoy. Langoy, langoy. Swim, swim yan, swim, swim. Hey!
Oh, run, 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 run.
Hoy, Aya. Halika. Punta nanay.
Mama, I want to put on my mama.
Nanay, ayaw mo nanay yung swim mo. Nanay swimming, no?
I want to put on my mama.
Tayo, mama. Tayo, mama.
Swim, dali, swim na, swim. Yan!
Wow!
Ang galing mag-swim!
Galing, Aya.